Good morning, Tube. Today is Saturday, the 12th of July. Game day, baby. Rolling with 3 barbers today. So I'm short-handed already this weekend. Guys on vacation. J-Lo's on maternity leave. So down to 4 barbers. Today we're only rolling with 3 barbers. Today's Saturday. Saturdays are extremely busy at our shop. So the good thing is I don't have one person waiting for me over there. So it should be all walk-ins. So we just deal with it, you know, hit them out. Yesterday, I think, I was looking at the box last night. I think I did total 19 haircuts. So yesterday was pretty busy, man. Real busy. So there was a little bit of time during the day where it was a little slow, so I'm thinking that it was maybe a little slower than normal, but I was busy. I knocked out 19 of them, so that's not bad at all. So I'm headed to the shop right now, get started on this day, post up some haircuts, and we'll get into this today, guys. Get into this. Everybody have a good day, grind on, and let's get started. Day, guys, super crazy day. Like I told you guys before, we're only rolling with 4 barbers today, so extremely short-handed. We've been non-stop. I didn't really seriously think I was gonna get a chance to go and get some lunch right now, but I managed to get away. But it's been crazy today, guys. Crazy. What do you guys do? What do you guys do when it gets super slam busy? You know what I mean? Like, what's the most haircuts you guys have ever done? Let me ask you guys that. Whoever wants to comment below. how many haircuts is the most you've ever done in one day? You know, I'll give you guys, I'll let you guys know how many I've done. The most I've ever done, I would say, and this is back in the $10 day when, you know, back in the $10 day haircuts, you used to have to hurry a little bit more. So I think the most I've ever done is probably like 32, I would say. But where I keep more accurate records, and you know, the haircuts are a lot nicer now and a lot harder now than they were back in those days. And today's standards, I think the most I've done is 27 I did one day here at the shop, at this shop. So I mean, it's that's a super crazy day, guys. Super crazy day. Today's been crazy, but today, right now, I already had 12 haircuts, and it's 12 o'clock. I started 12:20 right now, and I started at 7:15 this morning. So I already got 12 in right now, so I should be able to get another at least 10 more before the day's over. But it's been extremely busy. But I'm gonna go get some lunch, go to the bank, get some change, and finish this day off, and post some more haircuts up. I already recorded one today, and then I'm gonna try to get some more. But hey, guys, let me know what you guys think about this. What do you guys do when it's super slam busy? Do you guys get all tensed up and get nervous? Or, you know, I remember there was a time when we got real busy, and I'd get a little nervous and start worrying about people leaving and stuff. But little by little, I've developed the skill set not to worry about that stuff. And you know, sometimes when you're super slammed and you don't have enough people, and some people are just gonna leave. You know, it's in the nature. Some people just don't like to wait. So, you know, the people that know you and appreciate you and appreciate your work and know what kind of work you have, they'll either leave and come back, or they'll wait. You know, that's just the way it is. On crazy busy days like today, that's the way it is. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go finish this, go to the bank, get this done, and then I'm gonna head back to the shop, and I'll do an outro on the way out. Late. Do you got a second gear? I think, I know I have a second gear. Usually that second gear kicks in on days like today, when I'm just slam busy. And, you know, you gotta get them out of there. You can't just sit around and take your time, you know, you gotta bump it into that second gear. That way you can push them out faster. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, that all comes with experience. It doesn't come overnight. It's not something, you know, that it just comes with experience. It's just, you do thousands of haircuts. I mean, I'm not lying, guys. I do thousands of haircuts. Not a week, or maybe not even probably in a month. I'm not even sure. I've never really thought about how many, but I guarantee you it's thousands of haircuts throughout the year. So, you know, after you do so many, you develop a system. That's what we were talking about yesterday, the system of cutting. You know, you gotta have a system of how do you do your haircuts, how do you bust them out, and take them out of there, and bring in the next person. Like today's like a chess match. I already know the next. Okay, that guy's next. That guy's after that guy. Let me finish this guy real quick. Boom, get him out of there. Get the next guy in. The good thing is, I love to fade. You know, fading's my thing. So I'm a good fader. And I fade fast. I'm a fast fader. I can knock them out quick. So, you know, it's like a chess match. You know, you see your moves. You gotta move that guy, get the next guy in there, move that one out of there, get the next one in there. You know, finish this side real quick, so you go to the next side. You know, it's like a chess match in everything. There's a chess match in finishing the haircut, a chess match in getting through the customers and getting to the next one. You know, system of cutting. You gotta. Everybody has to have a system. You know, and eventually you'll develop yours. Everybody develops it. It's just something that comes with time. You know, it's just you gotta put in your time. All right, guys, I'm gonna head back to the shop right now and finish this day off. And right now it's 12:39. Just got out of the bank. Gonna get some lunch, and then I'm gonna finish it off, guys. All right, catch you guys later. Okay, guys, that's it for today. It's about 5 o'clock right now. 5:15. Ready to get out of here. We opened at 7 a.m. this morning, so we've been here for 8, almost 9 hours. Super busy day today, guys. Me myself, I got 22 haircuts on the box today. So you can imagine from 7 a.m. until right now. I know you guys, some of you guys are probably wondering like, well, it's only 5 o'clock and it's Saturday. We don't stay open late, guys. I just don't. At my shop, we open early. So early bird bite worm, early bird gets the worm, you know. So you got to get here early if you want a haircut. If you try to show up here at 4:30, you're gonna get locked out, and that's just the way it is. I don't like staying open late. I'm not really a fan of it. I'm kind of an early bird person, so I expect my customers to be here early if they want a haircut on Saturday and Sunday. Sunday we open at 8 o'clock and we close at 1 o'clock, so it's kind of a half day. It's not a big long day. So if you want a haircut, you got to get here early. Same thing again. It's just the way it is. Today was very good day. Very tiring day. Me and the boys were in there just discussing about, it's crazy how, you know, 10 years ago, when I first, not when I first started barbering, but, when I was already, 10 years ago, we opened this shop 9 years ago. So 10 years ago, I was working for somebody else. And I remember back then, I could knock out 20 haircuts, 25 haircuts, sometimes 30 haircuts. But back then, the haircuts only cost $10. So, of course, it's different when you're making less money and you have to meet a quota. So you hustle to try to get there. But me and the boys were discussing, we're like, man, on the norm here, it's hard to get to 15 haircuts, because, the haircuts are a lot different today than they were 15 years ago, 10 years ago. Back then there was a lot of zeros and ones and twos and regulars. Now it's all tapers and comb overs and stuff like that. So it just takes more time, and that's why haircuts cost more money now. And well, not only that, but it's the cost of living, the inflation and everything. So everything goes up. Haircuts are double what they used to be 10 years ago. So, all right, guys, that's it for today. Very productive day. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. I normally don't vlog on Sundays because it's only a half a day, but you never know. See what happens. Maybe I'll vlog in the morning or something. Maybe I'll take my drone up at the swap meet. But I got swap meet in the morning, and then I got work in the afternoon. And tomorrow we got a celebrity barber that's gonna be helping me out here at the barbershop. His name is Big Ron. That's my little brother. He's a barber also, but so he's gonna come out and help me out tomorrow. I gave him a call yesterday and I told him, like, hey bro, I'm gonna be working by myself. I could use your help if you want to make some money. So he's gonna come work with me tomorrow and help me out here at the shop. See how it is. It's been a few years since I worked with him, so I'm kind of excited about that. So with that being said, guys, you guys have a good night, have a good evening. Watch some MMA tonight. There's gonna be MMA on the TV. Relax, enjoy your evening, and grind on tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow's Sunday. I know tomorrow's Sunday. Tomorrow is a work day, guys. It's the way it is. You want to make it. You want to make big money. You got to work on those days that everybody is off. That's what it comes down to. All right, guys. You guys have a good night. I'll see you guys mañana.